Hi guys, welcome back to the Life's Good. Sunday morning, Saturday was a complete washout. It absolutely poured down yesterday all day long. Couldn't come out here and do anything. Stayed indoors, did a few domestic chores. Plenty washing and ironing yesterday, believe me. I've been pulling carrots, as you can see. These are my autumn kings, guys. Look at the size of some of these. They're huge. I'll probably have to shave a bit off when I use them, but they're absolutely huge. And then of course you get the smaller ones and a few odd shaped ones. But I've come out and pulled these today because I fully intend making a carrot cake today. We do like a carrot cake. Cheryl's been pulling carrots, or lifting carrots, and I think the tripod's about to get hit by the gate. Hang on a second. The perils of live TV. Yeah, Cheryl's been lifting carrots, blanching them and freezing them. Some she's left as whole small ones. Some she's diced, sliced, cut into chunks, different shapes and sizes for different applications. But they're all in the freezer, together with peas and beans and all manner of other things that we've pulled out of the ground from this small plot this year. So as I said, carrot cake with these guys. I wanted to show you my pumpkins, hence the t-shirt, guys. I know it's a bit early for Halloween. We are in October. Come and have a look at these guys. Apologies for any background noises, guys, but they're still working on that extension in the garden behind ours. You probably noticed there's a distinct lack of vegetation there now. They've removed all the shrubs and trees and things in order to let the light into their new extension, but they're still finishing that off, and there's some guys working there this morning, so you'll probably hear those in the background. What I wanted to show you were these babies. There's two lovely sized pumpkins here. We've got one over there in the potato pot. There's one over the back behind the Swedes. I thought, oh yeah, there's one over there by the carrots. So we've got 5 rather large pumpkins here, still very green. But what I've done is I've lifted them and put some cardboard underneath them, just to keep them off of the soil, off the ground. It just keeps them clean. And I'll leave them in place, and hopefully these will start to turn sort of a golden yellow stroke orange colour before much longer, I should imagine. I noticed the one over the far side has got some yellow tinges showing on the side, so these are maturing nicely. Looking forward to using these. Now, we don't grow them for lanterns. we try and use the flesh. Now, Cheryl makes a lovely pumpkin relish, or pumpkin chutney, which is very similar to mango chutney. So what I'll do is, when we come to make some, I'll make a quick video showing you how we make our pumpkin chutney. It's lovely alongside salads and cold meats and cheeses, but even nicer alongside a curry. As I said, like a mango chutney, it's quite sweet. And alongside spicy foods, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we'll show you that when we come to do it. We've got the last of the beetroots sitting here. There's a few of those left. I've still got carrots to lift. I've still got some Amsterdams and Autumn King. We've got Swede over there that I've just mentioned. I've taken a load of rhubarb in, and I've started another large batch of rhubarb wine, guys. Honestly, you can't use enough rhubarb at the moment. This keeps coming back. Now I'm hoping, or I'm expecting it to slow down anytime soon. That should reduce down, and you just get the crowns left in the ground for the winter. So we'll show you what I do with those. I am considering moving at least one of the crowns this winter. Probably put it over in the corner where I had my broad beans. So yeah, carrots, pumpkins, swede, beetroot, parsnips. We've still got parsnip there. Well, I say still. We've just started using those. We've getting some good sized parsnips from those, and looking forward to having those with our winter dinners, hot dinners. Now we're coming into autumn, going into winter. This is when you start using all your root vegetables and your much, what I call, heavier vegetables with your dinners. and your hot dinner in the evening. You can't beat having something with your own veg on the side, guys. we've already been having some. We had a roast dinner the other day with our peas, green beans, carrots, a bit of swede. We even put some beetroot on there. It's absolutely gorgeous. And our potatoes, by the way. We've still got a few tubs of potatoes left, so we'll be emptying those out very soon. But the Desirées have come out really well this year. I think I did a potato reveal earlier on this season, didn't I? I might do another one. I haven't, at this point in time, emptied that shopping bag. So if I empty that out, we'll have a look and see what sort of yield we get from that, guys. Well, I'm going to go in with my carrots now, and I'm going to make a nice carrot cake. Why don't you come along, take a peek. We'll show you what I've done with the carrots. And I might even offer you a piece of cake if you're lucky. So I'm going to crack on, and I'll catch up with you guys in a while. Well, it was just a quick video today. I've made my carrot cake, as you can see, and it's got walnuts on the top. Looking forward to a piece of this later on. Cheryl's at work all day, so I'm sure she'll be glad of a piece of cake and a hot cup of tea when she gets in later tonight. There was something else I wanted to show you. Can you remember, I forget when it was, way back in the year, I planted ginger in a container, in a tub, in the greenhouse. And the last few weeks, I suddenly noticed it's actually growing very well. Look at this, guys. It's got a very tall stem, lots of foliage, and seems to be doing very, very well. I'm keeping it in the greenhouse. We'll see how we progress. I'm not sure at what point in time you're supposed to harvest ginger, but I will be leaving this over winter, I would imagine, and we'll probably be looking next year at what we can do with this ginger plant. So another success. Got a wasp here. We don't like wasps. I got stung by one last week going to work, side the head, inside my motorcycle helmet. Not much fun. So the ginger's done well, so we're looking forward to doing something with this at some point. I'm just enjoying a cup of tea and just contemplating what I should be doing next and what's going on with the garden. I've got a few more things to do today, guys. The pumpkins, the pumpkin chutney, when I come to do that, I will be putting a little video together on what we do there, myself and Cheryl. Cheryl makes a nice pumpkin soup. You can roast or toast the seeds, they make a nice snack. So there's a lot of things to be doing with those pumpkins when they are ready for harvesting. So we'll let you see what we're doing with those. And I'm also considering what I should be putting in the ground now for spring. Some spring cabbage, maybe some spring onions, broad beans. Maybe I could sow some broad beans for overwintering and they'll be up early next year. So there's a lot of things to consider that you can put in the ground at this time of year. It's not all clearing and putting away and forgetting about it until spring. There's a lot we can be doing. So as I do things, I will take the camera along, bring you guys with me and show you what we're up to. Trying to get as much as we can from that small plot down the bottom end of our garden there. Well, I'm looking forward to a piece of carrot cake. I've already got my mug of tea and I'm sure Cheryl will be joining me in a piece later on. Guys, look, I'm gonna go. I've got things to do. Whatever you're doing, you stay safe, look after each other, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the button in the corner, give us a thumbs up, and share it if you want. Share our videos, that would be really good. But more importantly, come back and see us again, and pop back and have a look at some of our older videos, see what we were doing here this time last year and indeed throughout this last season. Guys, I'm off. You take care. See you next time in the Life's Good. Bye bye now.